happiness that I am sitting here today with all our Trinamool team in Goa as representatives and emissaries of our chairperson, Shrimati Mamata Banerjee. And we are announcing today, as you've already seen, we are announcing officially a pre-poll alliance with the MGP. And with this, we believe that for the people of Goa who were looking for an alternative to get rid of the BJP government in the state, they should look no further. This alliance between the MGP and the Trinamool is a wonderful blend of both the Trinamool's fighting spirit and the MGP's long-rooted, deep-rooted history in Goa. And we believe that this union will take the combined unit forward in Goa, and we will. It is not a question of whether we will form government. We will form government. It is just a question of how high the majority it is that we will get. So on this momentous day, we congratulate everyone who's been part of the process, and we tell the people of Goa that you now have a platform on which you can actually stand and speak your voice, and you can actually stand and tell the BJP that thus far and no further, the people of Goa have had enough and they're ready to usher in a new tomorrow. Thank you very much. I will now hand it over to Luigi Pinelli.
You see, the Liberation Day of Goa is fast approaching, wherein we are going to have the second liberation of Goa. And as you have seen the new winds of change, all over Goa have just started. And I'm sure this new winds of change which are sweeping is going to get rid of the governance of the divisive forces, of the tyranny, of corruption, of nepotism, unemployment, destruction of environment, closure of mines, and you can go on and so forth. TMC had given a clarion call to all Goans to get united, to come forward, and to be part of this movement. And I'm happy that the Goans have decided. They have decided two things. They have decided that enough is enough. They have decided we want a change. They have decided we want a credible change. And this is the movement. I'm happy, I'm proud that the Maharashtrawadi Gomantak Party, which is one of the oldest party in Goa, has come together to form an alliance. They have just announced it with the TMC because they have also realized, having worked with BJP, having worked with all these forces, the best thing Goa deserves is a new government under the TMC, which has got ideals, which ideals they are fighting against the BJP and Modi government, and I'm sure everybody is looking forward for this change, and I welcome them, and I welcome every Goan who has got the love for Goa to come forward and be part of this wonderful movement called TMC. Thank you.
आयज दीपक ढवळीकर मोगो पक्षाचो अध्यक्ष हांच्यांनी आनी तेजी कार्यकारिणी आयज प्रेस घेवन जे डिसिजन घेतलेले आहा हांव तांच्या डिसिजनाचे स्वागत करता. कारण सगळ्याहून पोरणी पार्टी म्हटल्यार जाता जी पयल्या गोंयच्या मुवमेंटान पयलो सरकार घडोवपी ह्या स्वतंत्र गोंयचो भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर हांचो हो पक्ष, आनी हो पक्ष आयज TMC वांगडा मेळोन फुडलो सरकार घडोवपाक वयता, फुडले गोंयचे भवितव्य घडोवपाक वयता. हांव खऱ्यांनीच तांचें कौतुक करता बाब सुदीन ढवळीकर आनी तांचे पार्टीचे. आयज मेरेन सुदीन ढवळीकराक वालोर दिवपाचो, कारण BJPन खूब प्रयत्न केल्लो MGPचो म्हणजे MGP सोंपोवपाक लागून, पूण सुदीन ढवळीकर आणि त्यांचे बंधू बाब दीपक ढवळीकर हांच्यांनी हो पक्ष तसोच गोंयकारां मदीं दवरलो आनी आयज म्हाका दिसता भविश्यान एक वेगळे तरेचो पर्व येवपाचो आहा गोंयान आनी त्या पर्वान आदली सगळ्यांत पडली जी MGP पार्टी महाराष्ट्रवादी गोमंतक पक्ष आणि TMC जे हालींच गोंयान येयल्ली आहा मेळोन ह्या गोंयान एक बरें भवितव्य बरें भविश्य दितले ही म्हज्यान एक आयज घोशणा करूं येता. येणाऱ्या काळान जशें बाब लुईजीन फलेरून सांगलेले आहा की जेंकां गोंयचो मोग आहा ह्या सगळ्यांनी एकट्या येवचे अशी आमची एक मागणी आसा अजूनय. आणि ही मागणी म्हजी न्हू, ही मागणी समस्त गोंयकारांची आहा की BJP सारकिल्ल्या भस्मासूर सरकाराक जर गोंयसून हद्दपार करतले जाल्यार सगळ्यांनी एकट्या येवपाची गरज आसा. आणि हांवूय आयज गोंयचे जनते कडेन मागणी करता की TMC आणि आयज जशी एलायन्स जाल्ली म्हणजे एलायन्स डिक्लेअर केल्ली आहा हेच्या फुडें सगळे गोष्टी घडटल्यो सगळ्यांनी वांगडा येवच्या ह्या भस्मासूर सारकिल्ल्या नरकासूर सारकिल्ल्या राक्षसी वृत्तीच्या BJPच्या सरकाराक घरा धाडपाक इतले हांव गोंयकारां कडेन मागणी करता. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
या विचार
Could you tell us what is the understanding between TMC and MGP?
अंडरस्टँडिंग बी कांय ना.
direct.
गोंयकारांक BJP घरा धाडपाक जाय.
ते understanding.
हेका लागून सुदीन ढवळीकर हो हुशार राजकारणी आहा, इतल्या वर्साचो आमदार आहा, इतल्या वर्साचो सरकारान प्रत्येक सरकारान वेगळे वेगळे मंत्रीपद तेणी भुसयल्ले आहा आणि गोंयचो मोग आहा तेका लागून अंडरस्टँडिंग बी कांय ना.
Yeah, understanding though.
हे अंडरस्टँडिंग म्हणजे BJP घरा धाडपाचे अंडरस्टँडिंग.
मैडम एक सवाल है कि आपसे इसके पहले कांग्रेस और MGP ममता दीदी को आके मिली, बाद में सॉरी गोवा फॉरवर्ड और MGP ममता दीदी को आके मिली, बाद में गोवा फॉरवर्ड कांग्रेस के साथ गई. आने वाले समय में इससे और कुछ चित्र देखने को मिलेगा क्या?
वो तो हम तो भविष्यवाणी नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपके पास मीडिया लोगों का पास तो फ्यूचर देखने के लिए क्रिस्टल बॉल होता है, हमारे पास तो नहीं है. तो भविष्य में जो होगा वो भविष्य बताएगा. आज का जो परिस्थिति है बंगाली में हम कहते हैं वर्तमानी अवस्थान. Today is what matters. The today and now the MGP and TMC are together to fight this election.
गोवा फॉरवर्ड के सूत्रों में उन्होंने बताया कि टीम गोवा स्थापन करेंगे, बट वो उन्होंने टीम गोवा कांग्रेस के साथ स्थापन की है. बाद में बची रही MGP आपके साथ आई है. क्या आने वाले समय में इसमें कुछ चेंजेस होंगे क्या?
आने वाले
हमने तो
समय
पहले ही बोल दिया कि दूसरे पार्टी का सुप्रीमो क्या बोलता है उनके लिए वो जवाब देंगे, हम नहीं है.
आने वाले समय में BJP और कांग्रेस का युति हो सकता है. बस यही है.
BJP सरकार जाने वाली है ये हमें बता सकते हैं. हम आपको बता सकते हैं.
Could you tell us?
Could you endorse his statement? Could you endorse his statement?
Which is the only thing common is to get rid of the BJP.
In future, he says that in future,
Can I reply?
Yeah.
तुम्ही जो प्रश्न विचारला की गोवा फॉरवर्ड आणि काँग्रेस आणि TMC आम्ही ज्या लोकांनी स्टेपनी टायर BJP दिले समजून तू टायर जेन्ना पंक्चर जाल्ले BJP स्टेपनी टायर कोण दिले ते लोक नाका आमकां.
no, he practically said that in future, Congress and BJP can have an alliance.
Is that
अरे of course.
Okay, one
that is
minute.
what I said. Difference
Sir,
किती आहा?
sir, let me.
No,
I'll reply,
difference.
sir. I'll reply to that. I think it's absolutely correct because if you think about it, the BJP and the Congress in 2017 were arch enemies. The Congress got 17 seats. The BJP got 13 seats. What did we see? We saw the majority of the Congress MLAs, 2/3, leave the Congress and go to the BJP, who took them very happily and made a common thing with them. So if that's not an alliance, what is? Right.
Madam.
So we've already seen this happen.
That's
It's
what
not
I said.
something new.
They
Madam,
supplied 13
I have a
tires.
question.
Yes, sir.
Until last week, you were saying that TMC will contest on all 46.
Yes.
Now, what made you to forge alliance with MGP? One thing, and what will be the ratio of seats?
So our chairperson is coming here on the 13th and the 14th, as you know. So she, as the chairperson of the party, will be announcing all the modalities of the election on the seat sharing and all of that going forward. This is not a merger, it's an alliance of like-minded parties where the need of the hour today is to get rid of the BJP. So in order to get rid of the BJP, this is the best scenario that Goans could possibly ask for. And our chairperson will decide all the modalities of the seat sharing and all that going forward. Very soon.
More political parties.
And chairperson had announced during her last visit to Goa.
Other than MGP, any more parties will come to you?
Sir, who are the other parties in Goa? I'm not sure because we have the
There are
BJP,
many.
we have there many,
There is
so I'm
CPM,
sure
there is
I'm
AAP, there is
in
RJD.
future we'll see what is there. But as of now, the TMC and the MGP are going to the polls together as an alliance.
Y'all are saying about BJP, TMC and MGP going on for alliance. But just now, Deepak Daulikar has said that talks are still on.
Yeah.
We have just
Yeah.
discussed the modalities. So, is it officially an alliance?
Yes, it is an officially.
आम्ही
जरा सांगता मरता.
आयज जे बसलेत न्हू आमी हांगासर तेंच्यांनी जो स्टेटमेंट केला तेचे वेलकम करपाक बसलो. मोवा मेमन सांगले की 13 तारखेर आमची अध्यक्ष येता, पार्टी चीफ येता, ती डिसाइड करतली.
It is an alliance. They have given us a letter today. ISR's committee have given us a letter after the meeting of their party, and they have given us a letter which we have accepted. And because our chairperson is coming on the 14th, something more formal will also be done at that point, where everybody will be on the same stage. As of today, the MGP have had their own party and had a separate press conference. We are having a separate press conference upon receipt of their letter, which is the procedure. But yes, we are officially in alliance.
They have spoken also about putting MGP candidates in 12 constituencies. Now this they have already discussed, identified and all. So is TMC okay with that and living
This
there?
is something, sir. It's usually this we discuss when MCC is on, and so our chairperson is coming. These seat modalities are something, as you know, till 2 in the morning people sit and settle all of this. So I'm sure these will be settled in a very amicable manner, and I'm sure all preliminary discussions have been held. And our chairperson will announce this as she does.
युती खातिर प्रसाद गांवकर आपके ऑफिस में लेके गए थे, फिर उसके उनका क्या हो गया? फिर सडनली वो कांग्रेस में चले गए, क्यों?
तो उनको पूछिए आप क्या करें. आप तो गोवा में तो the problem is that we have seen this before. So अभी before an election season comes, they come to speak to everybody, and we are a political party. We talk to everybody also. So people come to talk to us, and if he thinks that his chances are better elsewhere, he's welcome to go. This is the winning side. So it's his loss if he didn't pick the winning side.
या युती खातीर एमजीपी फुडें सरलेली काय तुम्ही त्यांका अप्रोच
ताळी 2 हातीन वाजता,
Okay.
ताळी 2 हातीन वाजता, दोघूय फुडें सरले.
प्रसाद गांवकर लॉसन दिसता तुमकां ज्याला त्या वाटेन
कोण कोण?
प्रसाद गांवकर
आम्ही दुसऱ्यांच्या कित्याक घेतल्या?
Can I just clarify all of you, because all of you are asking the same questions. TMC had given a clarion call for like-minded parties to come together to fight the BJP forces. Today, 1 minute, the MGP has given the offer, and we are here gathered to welcome it. The finer details you will know as the times,
Very
the
soon,
days
very
go
soon.
on. Yeah.
गोंयान ह्या दिसांनी कितले
एकूच
चमत्कार
प्रश्न आहा, ते 12 सिटाचे एमजीपीन म्हटल्या पयलीं तूं हांगचो ना 1 सिटा जर जाले जाल्यार तुमी सॅक्रिफायस करपाक
ऐक सांगता, अजून एक पळय तेंची मागणी आहा, तेंच्यांनी उलयल्ले आहा. आमी बरे भशेन बसोन हांवें सांगलें सुदीन
BJP करपा खातीर sacrifice करपाक
सुदीन
रेडी
ढवळीकर हो खऱ्यांनीच बरो एक राजकारणी. सुदीन आनी हांव बरे मित्र.
एका टायमार
अशें
तुमी
कांय ना.
मेवल्ले.
आं?
एका टायमार तुमी मेवल्ले ताका.
हय मेवळ्ळो, एडवायस घेवपाक मेवळ्ळो हांव तेजे कडेन. सिनियर राजकारणी न्हू. सो सीट शेअरिंग आनी सिटांचे बद्दल जे आहा न्हू, आमची जी अध्यक्ष येतली ती ठरयतली. फुडल्यो गजाली आयज कित्याक तुका?
पूण तुमी सॅक्रिफायस करपाक रेडी आहा बीजेपी करपाक.
मजा ऐक सांगता,
Why are you
जो
putting words in
जिंकतलो
his
नो
mouth?
जो जिंकतलो पळय तेका सीट मेळटले. सर्वे एमजीपी करता, सर्वे आयपॅकूय करता. सो ह्या सर्वे प्रमाणे कोण जो वयर आसतलो पळय तेका सीट
तुमचो सर्वे किती म्हणटा हाजोना मतदारसंघात?
हाजोना मतदारसंघात किरण कांदोळकर जिंकता.
Okay.
Always
Thank
be
you, sir.
By when everything would be finalized on
Boss
13th?
is coming on the, she's coming on the
Yeah.
13th, 14th. By that time, we should be able to.
What
speak.
about
The first list.
Committee?
The first list.
The first in Trinamool Congress, the list is always announced the day the election commission announces the results.
What about
Announces the election.
What about the announcement of state executive committee?
That will be very soon as well. I think I'm hoping that will be as soon as our chairperson arrives.
In this month?
आम आदमी
Yes, she's coming on the 13th and the 14th.
तर तुम्ही आम आदमीची पार्टी अलायन्स करपाक रेडी आहा कित्याक आतां दीपक सांगला तेंचे
ते आतां येवं दी म्हणून.
Well, there's nothing in the pipeline now.
But he said already
He's
He
looking.
said, who said?
Deepak is looking at it in the pipeline. That's why.
Well, that's okay. okay. He's a political party. So he can talk to everybody. You'll have to ask Mr. Deepak that. But he's in alliance with us. We've got a letter. So
किरण
we're
बाब,
going ahead with
या
that.
युतीन व्हडलो भाऊ कोण?
हा.
व्हडलो भाऊ कोण? ती जुनी पार्टी, तुम्ही नवी पार्टी.
हय येणाऱ्या काळात ठरयतले
हा,
भाऊ कोण पळयतो सगळे गोंयकार आमी भाव भयणा देव बरें करूं